So Intercut has recently released an update to their app, which allows it to be used as a very effective screencasting tool, and one that I'm very intrigued by. I love screencasting tools. There are a lot of them out there you can use, a lot of free ones. I think this one is going to be a very powerful one. If you haven't used Intercut before, it's actually from the people who brought you Swivel. So the Swivel is a little robot that will track you as you're presenting. So you put your iPad in the swivel, you walk around, and the microphone actually will track you. So the iPad will be rotating to follow you or swiveling to follow you. But they've also then started a while back, they added more software to the app, that upgrade, that allowed it to pretty much automatically decide where to pull the video at which time. So was it pulling the video of you speaking, or was it pulling video of the screen if you're using it with the screen recorder? And so they've actually taken that and made that a totally separate product called Intercut. So Intercut works by pretty much you download the app you could download it on your computer, you could download it on an iPad or something like that, and you could actually have the video recording from the camera on the iPad of you speaking, and then the video from your screen on your desktop, your laptop, or whatever, and it will combine those two videos and then use artificial intelligence to figure out which video to be looking at or how to combine those. They now released it so it can record the camera from your laptop, so you can now add those two video sources at once. So let's show you how to do it. First off, you'll have to download it to your computer. So I've already downloaded. Here's some ones I've already done. So I'm going to click record, and I'm actually using another screencasting tool to record this, but this is what we focus on. So if I was using a mobile app with this, I'd have to enter that code into it. But if I go up here, I can switch over to use just the laptop camera. So now you can see I have the laptop camera being recorded, and I have my screen being recorded. I can play around with which audio I want to be pulled in for both of those. For this case here, I could pick like my USB advanced audio device for that. I can say no audio for my screen. It's going to combine those, and then I hit record, and it's going to start recording my screen. So let's say now I was doing something for my students, like explaining how to use a certain website or how to use a tool, or just giving them like sub directions. I'm creating some video to explain something to someone else. Like I'd be explaining my tech tips, my tech tools page that's on our District Ed Tech site that's brand new. I can show all this really easily, and then I can pop right back into the app and hit stop. It's going to give me kind of a 3, 2, 1 countdown to stop it, and then once it's done, it's going to upload those videos to the web server. Once it's uploaded to the web server, it's going to have to process both videos, and then it's going to do a little bit more processing to combine them. And how long it takes will depend on how long you recorded. It's going to take on your internet speeds. And of course, their server speeds. Since I did just a really quick video, you can see that it's already started processing those things. It's already done. But I have one right here. So you'll get an alert when that one's done. So I'm going to go to this one. And this is one I recorded a little bit earlier. So I'm going to hit play. I'm going to mute myself here. So you can see that when I was recording myself before, I was talking to kind of build it up, kind of similar to what I'm doing now. And so I wasn't really doing anything on the screen, so it wasn't using the screen recording. And now I started moving my cursor around on the screen. I started playing with that website a little bit more, so it's able to detect that motion while at the same time knowing that I'm speaking. It's going to have both of us. And it took that full video of me talking and it clipped it out to only show, well, me. And even though I'm moving back and forth, which I have a tendency of doing, it's still tracking me on that. So combining both of those videos. So now I took those two video recordings, one of the screen, one of me talking, and it automatically combined them into a really nicely put together final video. Now, what I can do then with this video is I can export it. If I need to download it as a file, I can do that. If I want to throw it to YouTube or Google Drive, I can do that directly here. I signed in using my Google app, so that's already set for that. I can even go to a quick little trailer, which will be kind of a quick preview of my video. Or if I want to, I can even go back to the original recordings, the source files. So if I need to pull one of those video files, I can again. So this is a really cool screencasting tool. It causes you to do a whole lot less editing, while still putting together a really nice looking video. So give Intercut a try, test it out. Go to, I'll show the website again here, app.intercut.ai to give it a shot.